Have you ever worried about your child facing unkindness or exclusion at school, wondering if there's a safety net for them? It is a natural concern for any parent, and thankfully, our schools have specific responsibilities to ensure a safe learning environment. Schools have clear legal duties regarding anti-bullying efforts, primarily to protect students from harassment and discrimination, fostering a safe and inclusive educational setting for everyone. These duties are not just recommendations, but legal obligations mandated by federal and state laws, meaning schools must actively prevent and respond to bullying when it occurs. The core of these legal duties often stems from federal civil rights laws like Title VI and Title IX, which prohibit discrimination based on race, color, national origin, and sex. Bullying that targets students based on these protected characteristics or on disability under Section 500 and 4 of the Rehabilitation Act is considered harassment and triggers a school's legal obligation to intervene. Many states also have their own specific anti-bullying statutes that broaden these protections, often including characteristics like sexual orientation and gender identity, ensuring all students are safeguarded. To meet these responsibilities, schools must implement comprehensive anti-bullying policies, which include clear reporting procedures for students and parents. They are required to investigate all reports promptly and thoroughly, taking appropriate action to stop the bullying, prevent its recurrence, and remedy its effects on the student. This might involve disciplinary measures for the bully, counseling support for the victim, or even adjustments to the school environment to ensure safety. An important distinction to understand is that not all mean behavior rises to the level of legally actionable bullying or harassment. The legal duty typically applies when the bullying is severe, pervasive, or persistent enough to create a hostile educational environment, or when it deprives a student of their equal access to education. For instance, a single isolated incident might not trigger the full legal framework unless it is extremely severe, but a pattern of targeted exclusion based on identity certainly would. Ultimately, schools are legally bound to create a culture where all students feel respected and secure. Understanding these duties empowers you to work effectively with school administrators, ensuring they uphold their commitment to a positive and protective space for your child to learn and thrive.
If you're into this, like, subscribe, and drop a comment.